to do a quick video. I'm working from home today, so I'm trying to do this video real fast on my little break. This is a Michael Kors bag that I got off of the Michael Kors website during the, I want to say the President's Day sale, and then they had like an extra 20% off. And I had been looking at this particular bag, just like a little small crossbody. So I got it today, so let me show you guys. And it came in just like a little regular plastic envelope. So, let me show you guys. Here it is. Super duper cute. So here it is. And it is called the Michael Kors Jet Set Travel Small Saffiano Leather Convertible Crossbody Bag. So there is that. And I got it in the color luggage. It came in a variety of different colors. Black, like a little sage looking green, like a little soft pink color. The luggage, of course, and then it also came in the monogram print, which that's the one I wanted, but they had sold out of it, so I was like, I'll get the luggage. So anyway, here is the front, then here is the back. Take that off, and then here is the bottom of the bag. It's actually smaller than what I thought it was going to be, and that's fine. So here it is. And then it has like a little small pocket right here. It's actually really tight. So there's that. You probably can stick like some keys or something in there. Or a little change or something. So there's a little Michael Kors thingy. I'm going to open it up. There's that. You can't really put too much in here, that's for sure. It is tight. So here's the inside of it. It has 3 card slots, so you don't have to worry about putting a little, you can put like your ID and probably like a debit card and another debit card in there. So that is it. So there's that. Super duper cute. And then here's my hand, so you can tell it's a really small bag. So I have the iPhone 11 and it will not fit in here, so no phone is going to go in there. So here's the phone. See, the phone is bigger than the bag, so that's not going to go in there. And y'all, I have been looking for a review on this bag, and I haven't seen a review unless they got it labeled as something else, but I've been looking and looking, and so I haven't seen one. So there's that. But I did grab a couple of things to see what'll fit in here. So I have this Coach card case thingy. Let me see. Ooh, okay, that fits in there barely, but it's in there, so that'll go in there. And then I have this Kate Spade card case, and that'll go in there. So let me take that out, because really you really wouldn't need a card case because it has those slots, but just in case you wanted to put one in there, it'll fit. And this Michael Kors card case is actually smaller than this Kate Spade one, so if I was to put one in here, I would use this Michael Kors one, that one, and then you can get like a little small Bath and Body Works lotion in there, and then you can get like a Bath and Body Works hand sanitizer, and then you also can put like a lip chap in there, and like I said, your money can go in there because you can take this one out. But really, y'all, that's all that's really gonna fit in there. Not too much is gonna fit in there because this is a really small crossbody bag, but it's oh so cute. And I do have the little Dooney pouch thingy, and it does fit too, but it takes up quite a bit of space. But just to show you guys, it will fit in there. And then here's a little Coach thing, and let's see. Ooh, it'll fit, but child, that's all you're gonna get in there. And then it was kind of tight too, so I wouldn't play with it or whatever. I don't want to tear my bag up trying to stuff something in there. So anyway, y'all, there is that. And then it's, like I said, this little part right here, you probably can stick like some change, a couple of dollar bills or something like that in there. And let me show you guys the straps. So you'll just hook these up, connect that. And so here is a little strap. And these, and what I like about the bag, that this right here does disconnect, so you can actually get like a, I'm gonna order me a gold chain, so I'm gonna get a gold chain, and then if I want to just switch that out, I can just do like all gold chain or whatever, and I think that'll be really cute or whatever. But this is a really cute bag. It's small, but it'll get the job done. So just want to show you guys that. And like I said, you can wear it as a shoulder, or you can do it as a crossbody. And it's called the Jet Set Travel Small Oval Crossbody. I forgot the retail price of it. It was like $100 and something dollars. Let me see if I can find it. Dang it. Y'all can't find the price, but it's like $100 and something dollars. But anyway, like I said, it was on sale, and then plus I got an extra 20% off, so I got it for $63.20. So can't beat that. So anyway, yeah, y'all, here it is. So if you have any questions, just let me know, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.